Nobody knows the truffles I've seen. A class where students truly get to eat their homework. But first you've got to make it. No meatloaf or PB&J here. These youngsters are in a 4-H camp held recently at Tennessee Tech, creating with taste and flair candies, including chocolate truffles. They'll also bake taffy later. The key lesson, giving kids new skills.
Because it helps them learn more about everything, help them get a little bit more out of their comfort zone. I know it's helped me a lot.
We call it Experience Culinary, and this year, because it's candy, we're calling it Experience the Sweet Life.
Ah, okay.
Use a variety of candies.
Family and Consumer Sciences agent Anita Eckler likes teaching cooking at this middle school age.
When they learn skills young, it seems to stick with them a little more at this age. All of our students are 6th through 8th grade here this week, and that's a formidable age.
For some of these youngsters, they're here picking up a few new tips. Young semi-celebrity chefs already.
I've got a YouTube channel back at home, and I like to share my experiences and what I learned to cook on there, and I like to cook for my family a lot.
The camp focused on making candy, but there were other important lessons here too. Instructors talked about nutrition, the science behind baking, and kids learned recipes from other countries and cultures.
Right, you can't think of gummy candy without gummy bears and gummy worms.
FCS agent Haley Barnes leads a session on how to make nutritious gummy candies, traditionally full of sugar and artificial flavors, but here made with natural ingredients.
Just because it's called candy doesn't mean it can't be nutritious for them. So it's with real fruit and 100% fruit juice. So I just want them to know that they can eat really anything in moderation and it still fit into a healthy diet.
The next assignment for students, prepare for a candy buffet where they'll feed their parents and themselves. The duh question of the day. What's the best part about making candy?
Getting to eat it.
And that's just what they did, sampling their creations. In this day and age of pop it in the microwave and heat it up, it's important coming generations can cook. Here they get a jump start on kitchen skills, eating dessert first, but that's acceptable as long as they learn. This is Charles Denny reporting.